Hello, bonjour, namaste, this is Prismani, and we are here again at the Placia Mall. The main vlog of Placia Mall would be up on YouTube very soon. But today, after lockdown, after 9 months, I'm going to watch movie in this new baby, which is Inox Insignia at Phoenix Placio. So this is Insignia, which is the most luxurious cinemas of India, and in Bombay their ticket is 1700 rupees, but due to COVID we got a very good discount. So yeah, I'll show you how it is. But this is how the mall looks like, and I'll show you how luxurious the cinemas are. And the food in the cinemas is by Chef Vicky. The recommendations are by Chef Vicky, the recipes are by Chef Vicky, which is again very good. So let's see how luxurious this is. So let's go. Here at Felix Placio inside, and we are going to the third floor for Inox Insignia to experience, and we are going to watch Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari movie that is only in cinemas after lockdown. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we are here at Insignia, Inox Insignia, and this is the theater, this is the auditorium, but there is no one. There is no one in the whole auditorium except me and my grandfather, and that is the best thing. I just see the seats and all, they are so amazing. These are all the sofas. You have like, I'll show you everything, but see, this is how it is. And also the best thing here is that we are practicing social distancing. However, there is no one in this cinema except we both, my nanu. But then also they are like, even I and my nanu have to sit with a gap of one seat. But it's just like a private theater. That's so amazing. That's so amazing, guys. It's so good. I would recommend you just come and book Inox Insignia. We are here at Phoenix Placio. It could be there in your city. Do book your seats, and yeah, do enjoy. Okay, so this is the seat. You have four options. One is to recline. One is your head has to recline. This is to come back, and this is to call the butler. I'll show you the recline.
Craving for watermelon? Try the all-new refreshing Happy Dent Cool Watermelon flavor. Introducing Happy Dent Cool Watermelon flavor.
I guess this is how it is. And now we are going to the food court of this cinema so that we can eat something. So let's see what's there. I heard that we have a menu with the recommendations by Chef Vicky Khanna. To call the butler, you just have to click this. And yeah, the butler will come. Till the time I'll relax and watch the movie. We are done with the movie and it was really great. So this was the Insignia experience, and yeah, you can enjoy it. Yeah, so that was really great, and I hope that you liked this video. Now we would just be going out of Insignia. We watched. I'll give you a movie review down, but yeah, this is the Insignia. So yeah, that's what it is. A full mall vlog. I visited this mall around 2 weeks ago. So you can watch the whole vlog where I went to my favorite forest essentials and I did all the shopping that I shot around 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I'll upload that vlog after this vlog, so you can just see that vlog as well. So the movie at Insignia is over and we are here at the food court to feast upon something. I'll have my dosa, my favorite, and then I have Nano here, and yeah. So he will be giving you the review of the movie Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari. Let's see how it is. The movie.
As usual, Dilip Dosanjh's movies are neat and clean, to be watched with family and fit for being watched with family, and quite entertaining. At times, people used to burst in laughter, and at other times they got sad. It's a mixture of mixed. If I give it a rating, I'll give it a rating of 6.5 out of 10.
Okay, and how many people were there who were laughing and becoming sad in the
Yeah.
whole
Two
theater?
people who are always laughing or getting sad.
Well,
Only two viewers. But I think it was because it was a morning show. The people were not there. But the movie was not that bad. But it's all right.
great, great. So guys, so there were only two people, so we like it was for our own, like it was just like a private theater. Like we could do anything. There was no one watching us, hearing us. I like, you know, like it was so like only we two were there. So when there were songs, there was Dolby audio, and I was just dancing at you know, when disco songs and all were there, and like there was only two people in the whole theater, and that was a great thing. And also we now, I know that in the comment section you would be full of asking what is the price of that ticket. So if you will go to any Insignia theater, especially in Bombay and such cities, the price is 1700 rupees for one ticket, and for two people just multiply it with two. But since it is a newly opened theater and we it's COVID time and we went for a morning show, we got a very bumper discount. I won't tell you what exactly amount I paid, but yeah, you can see the ticket prices averagely 1700 rupees in like Bombay and all, and it will be here soon when things will get back to normal. But yeah, we got a like Corona discount, I can say. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it. Do like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, see you later in the next vlog of this Placia Mall and also the Taj Hotel Agra. We also visited Taj Hotel and the next vlog is coming soon, and after that I'll put a vlog which I shot 2 weeks back of this mall. So yeah, so stay tuned. See you there. Bye bye.